Ladies and gentlemen, we are at Utuado, Puerto Rico, and we're gonna check out Casa Grande Mountain Resort. So we're staying here for the night. We're gonna review this place. So if you want to find out to see how nice this place is, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and also stay tuned so that way you guys can see what it's all about. Follow me. All right, we're going to our room. Beautiful views, by the way. Look at this place. Wow. This is the view. Got a hammock. Wow, spectacular. Amazing breeze. Let's check it out. And this is our room. Very simple. A nice king size bed. Only thing is no air conditioning here. That's the only thing. No air conditioning. But other than that, looks amazing. Have a nice bathroom. Take a shower. Get ready.
That's what she was talking about. They have towel, but they're in their robes, towel robes.
Oh, that's really cool. Very nice. This is a different experience. Totally different in the mountains. And the grounds here are absolutely gorgeous. And this is only couples retreat, so it's only for couples. You can't bring kids. We wanted to bring our daughter. She was only 3 months, but we couldn't. So this will do for us. Relaxed. It's absolutely gorgeous here. Really love it. All right, so let's show you where you guys can get your complimentary coffee. Look at these gardens. They have infused water, fruits, regular water. Here's the coffee. Coffee's amazing, it's phenomenal. They have their own blend here, Casa Grande blend. I would recommend it. Awesome coffee. All right, after that nice dip in the pool and that phenomenal coffee, it's time for us to go and experience the dinner here. And look at my wife. She is looking amazing. Look at her. Okay.
Boy.
Okay. So this is like a pre-anniversary dinner because our anniversary is in 2 days. And because we don't want to leave the baby, too long without us. We just stayed one night here, but our anniversary is in 2 days, so it's really beautiful. Hopefully the food is good. It's more like vegetarian dishes here, but they do have fish. They have chicken if you want that. We went with the fish, so she got a fish pasta, right? And then for me, I went with a mai. So far, I've been eating fish every day here in Puerto Rico, so definitely I gotta go with the meat options later on in the trip. But I love it. My beautiful wife.
I love you.
Oh, I love you. The view is incredible. And we're having the time of our lives here. All right, we started with a coconut ceviche. Let's see how it is. It's good?
Wow.
All right. Tastes just like a ceviche, just without the seafood. It tastes great. Great appetizer. So we got the passion fruit juice here. That is guava, right? This is so good, so rich in flavor. All right, so I just received the mai, and here's the pasta. She couldn't wait. How is it?
It's really, really good. It definitely tastes really fresh, everything.
That's awesome. All right, I'm gonna try my dish for you guys. Let's try the mai. It's good. It's like the garlic mash. It's wonderful. It's great. Alright, and for dessert, we have the papaya tart and the natural chocolate ice cream. How is it?
This is good.
It's good? Alright, let me tell you guys. Let's see. It's nice and soft. Check that out. Yo. Wow. This is really good. This is really good. I want to try the ice cream too.
It's like fudgy chocolate. I love
it. It's amazing, guys. All right, guys. After having that awesome dinner, I am here outside of the room. As you can see, doors right there. And having a great time here, drinking some coffee. And it's raining, and it's just beautiful to just hear the rain and the coqui frogs, of course. Good morning, everyone. It is an amazing morning, beautiful morning here in Utuado after a couple of showers last night, which was very relaxing to hear. We are here and we're on our way to get our complimentary breakfast. By the way, I made a big boo-boo. I did not bring my sandals that I was supposed to pack for the day trip. So unfortunately, I only have water shoes. I wore them last night to dinner with my outfit, and I refuse to do it again for this morning, so I'm going barefoot. They're all about spirituality here in this place, so I don't think they're gonna care too much. Eating breakfast.
We're eating breakfast.
It's coming, it's coming. Okay, we ordered the omelet. It comes with chips, and it comes with, I think, garlic veggies. Got the toast. Let's see how it is. Great. Really good breakfast. You try one of these tomatoes. Nice and fresh. Alright, so the breakfast was great, although I thought it was complimentary, but it wasn't. That's okay though, but it was great. The food was good. And sadly, this is where our day stay here comes to an end. We have to go back to our house here, family house in here in Puerto Rico, and we have to go see our daughter. So that is it for this portion. We'll see if we can get a shot of the river. If not, it is what it is. Okay, and here is right in front of the actual resort or villa, and it's really beautiful. You can walk through here and go to the river. There's supposedly a waterfall at the end, but unfortunately we don't have enough time to check it. Our daughter is like 2 hours away and she needs milk, so it'll be in a different occasion. But see, the driveway to come up to the parking lot is that way. You would come through here, and I think you would just walk. I mean, you could technically bring your car in there, but it is a little sketchy. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you have any questions or anything, you can just comment and let me know. What do you guys think about this place? Would it be a place that you guys would consider? Please let me know. And that is it for this video. See you guys.